Welcome back, my lovely students. Hope you all are fine. So, students, today we will start the next chapter, that is chapter number 16 of your English grammar book. This is chapter number 16 of your book. So, everybody write down today's date on the top. Okay. So, what is the name of the chapter? Had. H-A-D, had. Where do we use had? In our previous chapter 15, we did use of has and have. In this chapter, we did use of has and have. Where do we use has and have? Has and have we use when we are talking about present, now, today's. Yes, now. I have 2 pencils. I have 1 marker. I have 1 book. Okay. So, I have 1 whiteboard. Because now I have. So, when we are talking about the present, there we use has and have. And has we use with the singular noun, and have we use with the plural noun or pronoun. Yes, so I hope this thing is clear to you all. No doubt in this. Has and have. Has we use with singular and have we use with the plural noun or pronoun. In present tense, when we are talking about present time which is running now, when we are talking about present, you are in grade 2 now. Yes, so grade 2, when we are talking about the present, you have grade 2, grade 2 books. Yes, because you are in grade 2 now, we are talking about the present, so you have grade 2 books. This is I have grade 2 English grammar book. Okay, so when we are talking about the present, but where do we use had? When we are talking about the past, when we are talking about the time before now. Clear? Let us read. We use has, have to show that someone or something belongs to us. Yes, we have done it. Has, have and had also. These 3 we use when someone or something belongs to us. But has and have we use with the present form, and had we use with the time, with the past form, the time which has gone. Yes, you had grade 1 books last year, not now. Last year you had. When we are talking about the past, time is gone. Grade 1 is done. You are in grade 2 now. So you had grade 1 books last year. Yes. Okay. So when we are talking about the past, when something, anything you were having earlier, not now. It is not with you now. Earlier you were having, but now you don't have. Okay. I had a white dress last year, but now I have given to my friend. Means I don't have now, I have given to my friend. Means I had last year, now it is not with me. Clear? So had we use when we are talking about the time which is gone, the things which I was having earlier but not now. Clear? Okay. So had refers to the time before now. Before now means the time which is going now, usse pehle, before that. He dashed several pencils yesterday. He dashed yesterday. Several pencils means so many pencils. Yesterday. So he had. Yesterday he was having. Today he don't have. Yesterday we are talking about. If yesterday he is not given you here. Suppose it is not given. It is written he dashed several pencils. How do you come to know we are talking about past? If yesterday is not given to you, how you will come to know? It is given he dashed several pencils. Then you will write he has several pencils. Okay. When we are talking about present. But it is given yesterday. Means we are not talking about the present here. So you will use here had. So had we use with all, with singular, with plural, noun, pronoun both. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay. So with singular and plural, with both nouns and pronouns, we use had. Okay. You dashed a sports car that you lost. Means you lost. You were having earlier, but now you have lost it. We are not talking about now. It is low. He has lost now. So you had. With you also you will use had. She danced a bad cold last week. Last week she was having very bad cold, but now she is fine. So we are talking about the last week. So we will use here had. If last week is not given to you, you dash a bad cold. If it is not given last week, so means we are talking about the present. So you will write she has a bad cold. But it is given last week means last week is gone. Time before now. So we will use here had. I dashed chocolates but I gave them away. Gave. You can see here this is give. Give, gave. So this is the second form. Means we are talking about the past. Gave is the second form. Give and gave. So this is second form. So I gave. I dashed chocolates but I gave them. So I had chocolates. I was having earlier but now I have given to them. So I gave them away. I gave them to my friends, to my sister, brother, to my cousins, to anyone. So I had chocolates but I gave them away. So had we use with I, we, you, he, she, it, they, every with all nouns and singular nouns and pronoun. But when we are talking about the past tense, time before now, okay, last week, okay, where second form is given, it means that is also past form. Okay, so I hope the chapter is clear. So in this chapter use of had, what you have to do in this question number 1, tick the sentences that use has, have or had correctly. Close them in correct sentence. One has been done for you. So here you have to see has, have and had all. How you will come to know? You just have to see we are talking about present or past. The teachers has their own lockers. So teachers are plural. And here nothing is given that it is past or present. So we will not use had here. Has or have will come. So you have to see teachers is plural. So you will use here have. So here has will not come. Let us do on the board. Look here. The teachers has their own lockers. You have to do which is correct. You will do tick, and which is wrong you will put cross. So you have to see which is correct and which is wrong. Let us see first sentence very carefully. The teachers has their own lockers. So here nothing is given, no second form is given, no last week, last year, last month, yesterday. Nothing is given to you. So we have come to know that this is not related to past. We are talking about the present here. So means when we are talking about the present, so it is given here has. So when we are talking about the present, means what you will use, has or have. So what you will use, you have seen here teachers, and it is given here has. If teacher is given to you, only teacher singular noun, then you will use has. But here it is given teachers. So teachers is the plural noun. So has is wrong. So it will come here have. Yes. So what you have to do in this sentence now means now we have come to know that our sentence is, it is given here has. Means here have will come, but they have done wrong. So what you will do in this question, you will do cross because this is wrong. Next, my aunt has a baby last week. Now see here last week is given. Means we are talking about the time which is gone. Last week is gone. And my aunt has. My aunt has a singular noun. Aunt is singular noun, they have used has here. But it is not present form. We are talking about the past form. So here what should come? Had. So this is again wrong because here had will come. Next, Amit has a new pair of shoes. Here Amit is singular noun, they have used has, and no past form is given, no yesterday, last week is given. So we come to know that we are talking about the present form. It's not past form. So this is correct because with Amit you will use, with any name we will use has in present form. So I hope my dear students, this chapter is clear to you all, use of had. So had we use with the past form, with singular as well as with plural noun or pronouns. Okay. So take care.